Hey friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a fun video. We're going to be doing a haul. I went to Coach and this one's heavy. I got some stuff. Coach has been my favorite affordable designer since I can remember. And I'm gonna show y'all my Coach collection soon. It's coming soon. In my calendar I had that I was supposed to actually film that video tomorrow, but I'm so behind on these other videos that I have to get out for Christmas time. So that one's gonna be coming, but it's just gonna be a little delayed. But I do want to show you guys my Coach collection because I do have a lot of Coach stuff, from clothes to shoes to jewelry to perfume to purses. So I want to show you guys what I have, and if you're interested in that, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you turn on the notifications to notify you whenever I post, because that video will be coming. But in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I bought last week when I went to the Coach outlet. One thing in here is a gift. So I obviously cannot post this until after Christmas because I don't want them to see what I got them. I would have loved to have put this out before Christmas for like a last minute fun, cool gifts to get for her type of video, but we're just gonna make it a haul. So I'm gonna show you guys the things I got for myself first, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got for my stepmom. I thought this bag was so cute. So her favorite color is red, and this bag has red handles and red trim along the bag. It is super cute, and I got this particular style because it's different from, she has a lot of bags already, but I felt like this one is a little bit different than any of the ones that she already has. She does like carrying small bags compared to the large ones. I like large bags, but this one is the Rowan satchel in the signature canvas. It has the C's going across, and as I mentioned before, it has the red trim going around the bag. There is a pocket on the outside, which is really nice. Probably won't want to put too much stuff out there because pickpocketers. Although this is not an easy bag to get into without hearing. There's also a pocket on the inside, and there is an adjustable strap as well on the inside. And I love the gold hardware with the red. I think I like gold hardware over silver, although I have both. I just prefer gold. And I think it's very spacious for a small bag. I think it's very spacious inside. Really cute. So this was originally $350. I got it for $129. They always have some type of discount or sale going on at the outlet store, so you never really pay full price for this, but I think it's really cute. This is, I think, 60% off if you look at it that way. Really great deal. And then I got myself the same bag, but different kind of print. So my favorite color is purple, so I got one. It has like a purple trim, purple handles, and all of that. And then it also has flowers. I love flowers, so I thought this was really cute. Same details, same pocket in the front, pocket on the inside, very spacious and open. And then it also has an adjustable strap for this one as well. Same thing, that bag was originally $350 and I got it for $129. Now let me tell y'all why I was torn when I was in the Coach store, because I found this bag. Really cute, same print with a gold chain strap here. So you can wear it without the chain as sort of like a clutch. And then you can wear it with the chain, but I don't think it's long enough. It's definitely not long enough to wear as a crossbody bag because it literally just goes like that. So you kind of gotta wear it like this, or like just on your arm like that. And I didn't realize that until yesterday when I tried it on in front of the mirror. That is like really short compared to what I like for a crossbody or a smaller bag. But this one did come with a smaller sort of like wallet pouch or change pouch. Really cute, in the same print with the same purple details going around. Opens up, there's like a little card slot, and then I'm sure you can fit multiple cards in this part if you wanted to. Really cute. It came together, however, I wouldn't wear this inside of here because it basically takes up more than half of the bag. You see that? So if I were to wear this, I would probably wear this as a wallet for the bigger bag maybe. Just have it in there like that. And it doesn't take up that much space because this one is bigger in size compared to this one. I don't know if it's really worth the money that I paid for it. I think it was like $10 less than the other bag that I just showed you, which is like 10 times bigger. So I don't know if it's really worth it. This one was originally $378 and it's 70% off, and I got it for $112. I paid $112 for this one, $129 for this. The math's not math, and I feel like this should be like $50. 70% off, and I'm still paying $100. It's cute, which is why I got it, but I just don't know. It's not worth it to me, I don't think. So, unrelated to this haul, but related to Coach in general, this is usually my go-to bag. So I got this either last year or in 2020, and then I also have a card holder. So I'm thinking if I do keep this, I could use my card holder and just put it in here so that it's not taking up too much space, because this one's basically flat. Put that in there and I still have room for something else. But at the same time, since it can barely hold that much, why not just use my card holder? I don't know. See, that's my problem when it comes to shopping. I like all this stuff, but I'm also like, it has to make sense in my head because I'm an accountant and I like numbers, and it's just not, it's not making sense. So like I said, this one is my go-to bag, and it's a little bit, I think you can actually carry more stuff in here than you can in here. And I kind of already struggle putting stuff in here because I like, as I mentioned before, I like big bags. So I don't know, like, I don't know if it makes sense for me to get another small bag when I already know that I like big bags. Or maybe I just need a downsize, like, because I probably put too much stuff in my bags. So maybe this will force me to only bring what I need. But it also won't be an everyday bag because it has color to it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this little bag in the comments below. Alright y'all, so I already have like maybe 7 pairs of Coach shoes. I have 2 pairs of tennis shoes. I have 3 flats and a pair of heels. I have 6 or 7 pairs of Coach shoes. I got my dad a pair of Coach shoes last year. Those were really nice. I got another pair. I got a size 9 in the same print as the purses that I just showed you. I thought they were, so actually I went for the shoe first, and then I'm like, oh, they got a purse to match. Let me get that. Oh, they got a smaller purse to match. Let me get that. So the shoes did it for me. It was the shoes that made me get everything else. But they're really pretty, little sneaker type thing. To me, their shoes are pretty comfortable. I don't have any problems with that. And I just, the print is so beautiful. I love, like I said before, I love purple and I love flowers. So I feel like this is a really great shoe to have. And I'm really excited to wear them. They were originally $318. I paid $93.89, so they were about 70% off. I got that quick. I bought some socks. I have never owned a pair of Coach socks before, so I don't think I've ever seen Coach socks before, so I had to get them. I got 2 packs, and they were both $22.80 a piece. They both have 2 pairs in them, so it's about $10 for each pair of socks, and they are one size fits all. Though they were cute, I can definitely wear my pink ones with my, or the brown ones. Either way, I can wear one of these with this shoe here, and I think they will look really pretty together. So at the outlet, my total came out to $509.98 pre-tax, and in total I paid $540.58. It says I saved $780.02, so that kind of makes me feel better, but I'm still questioning that little bag that I got. All right, lastly, I got this little purse because my friend Kelsley and my cousin Candace both got it when they were coming to my house for Halloween weekend. And I thought it was so cute. So it has the classic canvas in the darker brown shade. And it's basically a wallet pouch too. But instead of the little chain that the other bag has, it has a long, beautiful gold chain. This one was originally $150, and I think I paid about $50, so it was also about 60% off. So my friend Kelsley wore it. Really cute when she came up that weekend. I don't have the swag like her, but let me try to show you how she wore it. You know, I might not even like it on myself because we're different, and I think her style, I really love her style of fashion. It's different from mine. She wrapped it here to make it a little bit shorter, so she wrapped it 2 times. Oh wait, maybe one time. So she just had it like this. It's a little bit shorter, so it's not on her hip, but it's like going across like that, and I think she had it something like that. And it looked really good with her style of fashion. So I think that's an option if you want to wear it differently than what I think it was designed to wear like. So if I don't wrap it at all, it'll come down to like where my hip is. I think either way you wear it, it will look really nice. But yeah, that's my haul. So if you combine both of the purchases together, that's about $600. $600. If you wear a lot of bags, let me know your favorite designer in the comments below. Also, let me know if you have any Coach bags, if you've gone to the Coach outlet recently. I've been wearing Coach and obviously watching the brand evolve over the years. So I'm just really thrilled with Coach, and their quality of the bags has been nothing less than amazing. I still have literally all of my Coach bags. Only one of them has kind of messed up on the handles because I used to literally wear it every day to work, which is understandable, but I want to do some type of DIY on it to revamp it and make it look cute again. Back in the day, if you used to send in an old Coach bag, they would send you a voucher to get another one. So it would cover like maybe 60% of the new bag. And now I just saw on their Instagram that they are using old Coach fabric or like leftover scraps to make a teddy bear. So I think it's good that they're trying to be sustainable. They're not wasting product that they don't use. They're using it for something else and still making money on that. So I think that's really amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next post, I'll see you guys later. Bye.